Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're making these super easy jewelry dishes and I'd love if you decide to subscribe to my channel. First, roll out the clay about 4 millimeters thick and then place the sheet of clay on top of some plastic wrap. Next, apply the copper leaf to the surface and gently roll over it with your rolling pin to press it into the clay. To get a perfect circle, you can use a round bowl as a guide, or I'm using a flower pot. Since the edge of the pot was quite thick, I went around it with a knife to make the cut clean and neat. Don't worry if some copper leaf gets mixed in to your leftover clay. It blends in really well and leaves the beautiful little flecks, which looks amazing when you use that clay for another dish or another project. Then, with plastic wrap, carefully transfer the clay into a round bowl to shape and dry. Let the top side dry completely, then take it out and flip it over to dry the other side. Once fully dry, it's time to sand. Sand the edges and the bottom smooth using sandpaper and remember to wear a dust mask. I used a coarser sandpaper first and then finished it with 1000 grit paper. If you want a slightly rustic look, you can very gently sand the copper leaf surface too. When you're done, wipe all the dust away. Next, protect the dish with a coat of varnish. Do the bottom first, let it dry completely and then paint the top. Using a glossy varnish really makes the terracotta colors pop and brings out the beautiful shine of the copper. And that's how easy it is. They turned out absolutely gorgeous. Or what do you think? And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!